Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for One Day Saving, and we have 2 cross stitches. So we'll start with the first one. It's a 14 count. It's 37 by 37 centimeters. Isn't that beautiful? Although it says Peony Bloom. So, okay. Yeah, loosely it looks like that. Let's take a look. Pull it out of its nice Joy Sunday bag. It does have instructions on the back, just like normal. Comes in a very durable plastic bag. Let's flip it over here and have a better look. Got little bees or bugs. You got some kind of fruit up there. Just beautiful. Just gorgeous. Has a nice printed paper pattern. I'm looking. And it is one that's, you know, sorted out. So each one of these numbers here represents a page. So if you're working on this section, you go to page 6. If you're working on this one, you go page 1. Let's see. Oh, there's the colors. I was looking. So this has full stitch, half stitch, French knot, and back stitch. And it has 44 colors. Oh my goodness. Lots and lots of beautiful, beautiful reds and oranges and pinks. Just gorgeous. Now it does not have a second set of numbers. So this set of numbers only matches the paper pattern. So when you get to the canvas, they have their own symbols. And the threads, of course, are the same, but yeah. So if you have a problem looking at something and you can't see what it is exactly, then you can come over here and go, okay, that is number J. So I'll look it up here, and J is 19. So very nicely printed as usual for Joy Sunday. Let's take a look at the colors. I can hardly wait. Let me shake it down. No hanks. I'm going to separate this bit so you can see the colors. Lots of greens, corals, pinks, white. Kind of have an olive green here and other shades of green over here. Even a brown and some blue. And some light blue. It does come with 2 needles that are 14 count needles. They're always nice with Joy Sunday. They do not have a toolkit. They never have. They only have 2 needles, so you can get started stitching right away. Lots of more reds and like a darker orange. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Look at all those reds. My goodness gracious. I don't see any 310 black, unless it was over here. No. I forgot to tell you what colors were in it. But I'm sure there are lots of reds. I would expect that. Let's see. You have 321 red. You have 666 red. You have 920, which is a brick red. Yeah. So, lots of beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh, there's 498, which is red. I'm trying to think what my red colors were. There's no 221. But I do like that 498, which is number 7. It's kind of a dark red. And there is the 920, which is even a darker brick red. But just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Look at all that. Isn't that awesome? They do such a good job with the colors and the shading. Now, I don't know. I have to look and see what the back stitching entails. It's just kind of on that bug and a little bit of lines here and there. So the back stitching is not much. Maybe the wings. A little bit in the flowers on the, is it stamens? Is that the word? I may have that wrong. If I do, put it in the description box below. Not real good with flower parts, you know, petal, and petal. Yeah, those are the ones I know. I try to guess at the rest, but very nicely printed. Let's take a look at this canvas. It is going to be a piece of work, mama. Oh my gosh, that's going to take a hot moment. It goes this way. So very nicely printed, very smooth material. It is serged all the way around. It is 164 by 164. It does have the name and the numbers that are on the front paper. Very nice. And as promised, there is the teeny tiny little key for all your numbers. You can barely read the DMC numbers, but the numbers on the top are clear. And the symbols are very nice. Then you have your half cross stitch and your French knots. And these are the back stitching ones. So, very nicely done. Sometimes on these that are a little more involved, I have to look on the paper pattern because it's like, what is that? Okay, it is 37 centimeters that way, or 14.5 by 37.5 centimeters this way, almost 15 inches. Actual picture is 12 inches or 30.5 centimeters by 11.75 inches or 30 centimeters. So it's a little taller than it is wide, but I think it's going to be just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now this one was $7.39. I think it is such a deal. Yeah, they do such a great job on all these. Just, makes you want to just stitch the rest of your life away. Yes, they do. All right, let's take a look at this next one. Get it open. Okay, this is a DIY cross stitch, and it is of roses in a vase. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at those bright red roses. We had roses that color. They were gorgeous. And they love that hot Midwestern sun all the time. And it does come with a smaller paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas, but this would definitely have to be blown up. Just gorgeous. It does have the product number and how big it is, and it does not say how many squares per square. I would say it is 129 across by 173. So not too big. It has 24 colors, no 310, no 823, no 939. It does have 3371. And for the reds, looks like 326, 349, 891. So we'll look at those. Oh, and 815. That's a nice red too. That's a lovely bricky red. But it does look like it's going to have a little bit of confetti, but it does have some areas bigger. So very nice. Let's take a look at the threads. Looks like they're all going to be on the thread card. Let me shake it down a little bit. There's all those beautiful reds. Look at them. Oh, there's 4 right there. Just absolutely beautiful. This one's kind of a dark plum, if you will. Then you have browns. You have your 3371, which is this color right here. And probably 3865, right? 3865 for your whites. But yeah, vivid, beautiful reds. Ugh, gorgeous. And they even put the last, I'll put it right here, and hold it here. 460460, that's the product number. Onto this, I write on the back what it is and who it was from, and what else? The product number. And that way, if it should for any reason get separated, yeah, gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, morgeous. This one was $7.31. It is not serged all the way around. It does have a salvage edge running down the side. Very big. It does have 2 needles, no toolkit. Some of these have toolkits and some of them don't. I don't know if these were older, you know, and before they started putting them in. But very nicely printed, very easy to see all the symbols in this. This is an 11 count. And I like that it's long and skinny. It does have the color scheme going down the side. So very nicely done. Let me turn this way. Take a look. All right. It is 50.5 centimeters, or almost 20 inches that way. And this way it is 41 centimeters, or 16.25. Actual picture size is 15.75, or 40 centimeters. There's a lot of extra wide margins. It is, we're going to call it at 11.5 inches by 29.5 centimeters, or 29.5 centimeters. Hello. So yeah, nice, long and skinny. And this is very stiff fabric compared to some that I've had, but very nicely done. Very, very nicely done. And I have not had hardly any problems with it shredding, you know, on the sides. If it's not, you can go through there and put, you know, stitches along there if you want. But yeah, I don't worry about it. I just stitch. It's, yeah, just what I do. But it will be gorgeous. Now, I like that the symbols are very easy to see. They're very distinct. So, very nice. There's not a lot of the same color altogether on these. Very nice. Good job, guys. Good job. I'm losing my little table thing. Now, OneDaySaving does have free shipping on orders over $50. If they have any specials, I'll put that in the description box below. If I have a discount code, I will put that in there as well. They have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all those. They also have beaded cross stitch, paper quilling. Yeah, just the custom is, and they do have custom in all 3 of those, the majors. So very nice, always a nice selection. Just gorgeous products. I love them, and they're not overly expensive. That's what I like, and they're doable for everybody. So I'm sure you can find something that you like for whatever craft you're into. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me these beautiful kits this week and last. Greatly appreciated. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.